This time on Sailing Miss Lone Star, we dive for Conch with the Bahamian locals. But first, we have breakfast at the liquor store. Of course, after finding our zen. I'm Aubrey. I've been living on a small boat for about 6 years. I recently bought a pirate ship. And right now she's waiting for masts and rigging in Washington. So in order to earn a few bucks to pay for the project, we've taken on a boat flip. It's a 1996 37 Hunter. Thank you so much to our patrons for making these videos possible. The liquor store. It's an iconic place to have breakfast on Green Turtle Key, and we just couldn't pass it up. So, darling, how are you feeling after breakfast at the liquor store?
Better.
Better! So many chickens here. We are going to get some fresh chicken eggs. Should we catch some chickens and squeeze them?
Is that how it works?
Yeah. Macintosh Bakery. I keep hearing about this place. We're gonna have to try it.
I wonder if it's also a liquor store.
Don't you wish? So today we're gonna go do something super fun. And we're meeting somebody on a friend's boat at 1:30. And it's gonna require a wetsuit and channeling my inner huntress. And I'm very excited. We're back at the grocery store. We're gonna pick up some eggs. Okay. You don't want to put a bunch of raw eggs in your bag?
No, thank you.
We've got our loot. Eggs and tomatoes. I love this dinghy. It's an 11-foot Carib and it has an 18 horsepower outboard on it, 2-stroke. So we can explore the island and the outer islands just by dinghy. Dinghy is like your car when you sail, so it's best to have the biggest, nicest dinghy you can afford while you're sailing. That is my piece of advice.
What's going on?
We're gonna go get some conch. At least that's the plan.
Okay.
Right now I'm dressed like a sea lion.
He's busy dealing with the leaking screw hole at the back of the boat. That does not concern Aubrey in any way.
The conch are camouflaged by the growth that's seen on top of their shells, blending in almost perfectly with the seabed. Trust me, I want to snag this lobster just as badly as you do right now, but they're out of season. I'll see you next time, buddy. Today we collected about 60 conch. Usually they'll pull 150 to 300, but there just wasn't enough room on the boat today. Not with us on board. Restaurants in the Abacos will pay about $6 per pound. It takes 2 conch to yield 1 pound of meat. We're gonna get cleaned up and then we're gonna go meet them to crack open these poor little guys. I actually feel a little bit bad. We are now going to learn how to pull the poor little guys right out of their shells. So 50's gonna bring some up and show us how it's done.
Yep. The other one.
Or vinegar. Come wake me.
So this is 50. And he punches a hole in the side of the conch, and then he ties them together and then throws them back in the water so he can make ceviche later. They can't get away unless they have some extraordinary teamwork, right? These conch are 4 to 10 years old and must be of a certain size to take.
This is absolutely ridiculous.
After looking at this boneyard, I was shocked to learn that the species seems to be able to sustain itself, per the local fishermen. This is 50. He's going to show us how it's done.
Try it for now.
Hey, everyone giving us shit now, eh?
Okay.
You see what you got? Look, turn your conch over. All right, you see what you got? You see what you got, right?
Yeah, I see.
All right then, so hold it hard. Right.
50 is like the local Mr. Miyagi with conch.
The conch can bite.
Remember the conch?
I can tell you, this isn't as easy as it looks. They're quite slimy.
I ain't putting no pressure this, you know. I'm not gonna starve it or nothing like that. I'm not gonna jick it or nothing like that. Right? Hey. You see how you bend up? You feel the pressure, you put on that, right? You're not supposed to do that.
I've been on the job for 5 minutes. I'm going to be fired.
No. See, you're not gonna get fired. You're gonna do it the right way.
Okay.
50?
It's not firing. It's getting it done the right way.
It's fine, we can always buy you another finger.
Hold the horn. Hold the horn and pull it up. Slow.
Ready to eat, yeah?
Almost.
Almost. Is
Let me show you
this
something.
his penis?
That's good. No, that's not the penis. Let me show you. You see this right here? This
The
is the
pistol.
muscle of the conch. And this is something will come out of all of this, right?
Okay.
Nah, this is the muscle of the conch. So, what you do with this, you eat this. Good. Mushroom, chew it. No, chew it.
You just ate the penis of the conch.
I just ate the penis.
No, you just eat the muscle. It's called the pistol.
The pistol.
50, I don't believe you. That's the penis. So you're coming in from the bottom there. Nice.
It's on you. You don't fight it. Don't fight it. See ya? And then it hold his heart.
He gets all the fresh seafood every day?
Feel it. Hold the knife hard. And you spin it the same way. Spin it. Not fresh water, salt water.
Okay.
Right?
But it is a first try.
Hey,
Cheers.
chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Tell me what it tastes like. Spaghetti, mushroom.
Spaghetti and mushroom.
You've been eating too much canned food if this is tasting like spaghetti and mushroom.
So we've learned how to clean conch. We've learned how to clean conch, and we're not that talented. It's difficult.
And you see what you end up with?
So after all of that, we are going to cut up this 2.5 pounds of meat that 50 gave us and fry it and make some dinner. So let's see how it turns out. conch was definitely hard work, but delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed collecting conch and frying it up with us. Now, we're going to enjoy it. Ooh, look at you, handsome. What you got there? Conch time. Yum. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star. And to see the full, uncut, uncensored version, head over to Vimeo. You can find the link below. Lots of love to all of my patrons for making these videos possible.